Hey guys, what's up? You you so you know I know the basics of CMD and how to make a fully working calculator that can run up to 32 bits of precision. So you may be thinking, what else can I do? Well, this next video is amazing. Now, it's pretty easy to do. So, you're gonna want to go into your system folder, or I'm gonna go into my system folder and coding stuff. Um, Space operating system. Um, Now this operating system is made entirely with Notepad. Yeah, sorry for the pause there. Anyway, space operating system. So this is my first one. I'm currently working on a second one. But press any key to continue. So you got calculator for explaining purposes. 1 plus 1 equals 2. Then it goes back. That's the only way I could think how to do it. Anyway, you got a file viewer. By the way, with the file viewer, some of these are just like fake. Like there isn't really a system chi.exe. There isn't coal soaked. Well, there is an auto run app, and there isn't boot. There's war. Yes. Let's put RDS. Thermonuclear war simulator activated. I'll fight for America. How many IBCMs? 5. Go big or go home. Stuff impact. Fire 2, because go big or go home. I can fire a nuclear warhead, because go big or go home. Said that like 3 times. Now, fireball. Both of us lose. Press any key to continue. If you press no, then it comes back here. You can go to settings, which is color settings. You can, this number 1 is Space Classic. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. And this is 9. And there's an MS-DOS window. You remember this. Just going through some CMD commands. Quick few. Now here's one that I didn't show you in the last video. The ping command. Type in, like, let's just use Google as a website. And then you gotta put its, so basically you do www dot website name dot whatever, like it could be .org, .net. But then it pings and it sends packets, whatever those are. Packets sent 4, received 4, lost 0, 0% loss. Anyway, so forth. Oh. There's system info. And this is all fake too. Like, nobody will have a virus for Space OS. Space OS by Dragon Software, version 1.7, beta pre-release. Dang, still haven't changed that. Device, the device thing is work in progress. Processor, my processor is Intel Pentium and no virus. And that's about it. 7. Now, also in this video, I'm going to show you the code. But anyway, it's just a bunch of echoes and then a bunch of this menu choice things, and then that war game, the file viewer, colors, and stuff. But then, I'm going to show you a sneak peek of this next thing. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm working on software for that. Now, I will open this, but I will not show you the code. Space LSM, Lightspeed Millennium. But its code name is Slushy. This is version 1.2 alpha. Now, it says system notes. Now, it's the same, except I've made some changes. Like, for example, if you go into settings, instead of having color 1, color 2, color 3, so forth, you have 10 different settings. Now, this is Space Classic, this is Flame, this is Frost, this is Complementary, this is Hexadecimal, this one's Fruit, this one's this one's favorite too, Black and Blue. 8 is Blind, 9 is Holiday, and 10 is Pumpkin. Didn't have green and orange, sadly. And then you go back. Now, instead of having just one game, you have other games, like I added Noughts and Crosses, or more commonly known as Tic-Tac-Toe. Because, oh, dang. Haven't made a way to get out. Gotta work on that. Okay, select 2. What the crap? See, this is why it's Alpha 1.2. No. It's basically it. Just wanted to show you. And now to make it. Now to make like other version. Go to edit. Full screen that. Okay, so you wanna do at echo off. I mean, you don't have to do that, but it looks neater. Now this one is just going to include a calculator and CMD. And CMD is command prompt. You could do title. And just do that. You can pick your color code. And I've explained that in the last video. I'm going to go with color 90. Actually, color 90 isn't such a good. Just stick with color 3F. Now what you're going to want to do is make this colon menu. and for some reason there's CLS at the top, so you're gonna type CLS, and you just like want to make it whatever you want here. Like I've put a long string of stuff, and this was like the old versions before this was even Space OS. It was CMD OS. I said, welcome to CMD OS. And then you can do your line. You don't have to do this, but, well, it's your operating system. And you just put echo period if you want a blank line. Echo, we hope you enjoy. And then that's that. Now we move on to the next part, which I call menu 2. Now, if you're going to be routing stuff, if you're going to be, like, let's say you have a game where it changes the title to something, you're going to want to put title and your original title. And then put CLS. You could put another code if you wanted to. And then, as we scroll down here, because I am not a good rememberer, you have to... Oh, damn. I mean... Oh, duh. Oh, duh. So what you're gonna want to do is make your stuff like echo on echo calculator, then echo like ms. We'll just call it RDS DOS. Those are the only two we're going to be running, and then we say set /p menu choice equals. Now this sets the menu choice to no number, like nothing. That's what allows this thing to have a menu. But this is also creating a variable. Now, what you're going to want to write is if menu choice in percents, oh, not enu, menu two equals, and my speculation about those two equals, it says since a blank space is equal, there's a little bit in there,